Good morning, students. Today we are going to see another important 3-mark question, that is describing a process, and this question will be appearing in question number 37 or 38 or 40, and this question carries 3 marks. So now let us start with what is describing a process. When we describe a process, we use a series of instructions to describe how we make or produce something, or to elaborate how something is done. So usually this sort of describing a process is done where we give instructions to describe how we make or produce something. So when we are going to produce something, we give instruction to the other person, or to elaborate how something is done. Say for example, covering a book or binding a book. So we give some sort of instructions, and these are all coming under the category of describing a process. Preparing an apple juice, that also comes under the category of describing a process. So important note that you have to note is the process can be described by using passive voice or imperative sentences. So these two can be used. So it can be used by using imperative sentence and by using passive voice. So you can use these two for giving instructions or describing the process, etc. So you can also use linkers like first, then, next, and then, and finally. All these words are used as linkers so that it has a chronological order, or it gives some reality to the process there. Now let us see one example here, sending a letter by courier service. So the first step is write the letter, fold it and place it inside an envelope. Paste the right end of the envelope and write your address at the left hand bottom. Write the addressee's name and address in the middle of the envelope. Take it to the courier office. Write on top of the envelope by courier. That word has to be written on top of the envelope, and get it weighed. The front desk personnel will ask you to pay an amount according to the weight of the envelope and distance it has to travel. Pay the money and get the invoice. Now the courier is on its way to the intended destination. So these are the steps that you have to follow while making a courier. So with this we are finishing this video, and we will see some more examples in the following videos.